Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Triangle credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box, type in www.trianglecu.org and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Triangle Credit Union. On the right hand side of the screen, go ahead and enter your username associated with your online banking account. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the Enroll Now link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to register first. Once you enter your username, head over to the password field and type in your correct password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click the Forgot Password link and reset your password by following through the on-screen prompt. After filling in your details, click on this arrow on the right corner of your password box and you'll be able to log into your Triangle Credit Union homepage. From there, you can easily access your credit card by clicking on the Credit Cards tab. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.